What's up, everyone? I just thought I should make a quick video about this breaking news today. Capital One is cutting millions of people credit limit. So I believe that a lot of banks are going to start doing this. It's going to be a domino effect. A lot of people, millions of people, are filing unemployment every single week. The stimulus package, nowhere in sight. People are losing their jobs left and right. So if you still have your job, you're still making some kind of income, and your card, which had happened to me as well, Capital One reduces your credit limit, even if you're using that card, because they see financial trouble in the markets with consumers as well. And it's just something that happens. This business is not personal at all. So what I would do if I was you, which this has helped me out so much, get my Jewelers Club if you want to. My Jewelers Club, that's a $5,000 limit. It doesn't matter what happens to your credit card. That will always stay on your credit every year if you become a member of My Jewelers Club. And if you want to overdo it, go to New Coast Direct as well. So I believe My Jewelers Club hits all three credit bureaus, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not in front of my computer. New Coast, I know for sure, hits the two credit bureaus. But the main credit bureaus to me, from my research, are Equifax and Experian. If you have something that positively hits those credit bureaus, you're good. So TransUnion, a lot of these lenders and other financial people, they don't really look at TransUnion at all unless your credit score is really bad. TransUnion is not a big factor when it comes to approving loans and credit and things like that. So if you want to go around that system of them lowering your credit limits, look at My Jewelers Club and New Coast Direct, because things are going downhill with with people losing jobs, and it's just crazy. So if you still making money and you love credit and you love your credit score and you were on this channel, Financier Pro YouTube channel, you guys comment below. Did it happen to you? Did they cut your credit limit as well? Please comment in the video below. Capital One breaking news. See you guys next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.